Many skills have been developing during my studies at the university, like time management, working under pressure. I knew how to manage my tasks within the given time period.
There's a subject called the Managing Development Program. They brought a representative from Barclays. So basically he made us be familiar with the outsourcing that Barclays does and how Barclays operates. They also brought a representative from Morgan Stanley, which is actually still making you quite familiar with all the stuff here.
For my degree, we have a special finance lab in the library that we use, and we have also special visits to the court.
So we do work placements and internships. I think it's very important because it helps you it prepares you for the real world situations to understand how things work.
I think the human resource management module is actually really helpful in life aspects. You learn how to manage working with different people from different cultures at the same time in the workplace.
International Study Centre was really supportive. It helped us to fit in the university life in terms of the bulk of the academic work. My course was Foundation in Business and Social Studies. That's where economics, accounting, finance came in. So basically they are related to your subjects. And by the time you go to the university, you really have something to deliver in terms of those specific subjects, which was really helpful.